Welcome to OXmaint's Maintenance Insights. Today we're diving into the world of food manufacturing and exploring the unique maintenance challenges faced by this critical industry. Let's get started. Food manufacturing is a complex industry with strict regulations and high standards. Let's look at some common maintenance challenges these facilities face. Challenge number 1: hygiene and sanitation. In food manufacturing, cleanliness isn't just about appearances, it's about safety. Maintenance teams must ensure that all equipment is not only functional, but also meets rigorous sanitation standards. This means using food-grade lubricants, implementing thorough clean-in-place systems, and regularly inspecting and replacing parts that could harbor bacteria. Challenge number 2: continuous operation. Many food manufacturing plants operate around the clock. This leaves little time for maintenance, making it crucial to schedule maintenance efficiently, use predictive maintenance techniques to prevent unexpected breakdowns, and implement quick changeover processes to minimize downtime.
Shall we begin?
Challenge number 3: temperature control. Maintaining precise temperatures is critical in food manufacturing. This presents unique challenges for maintenance teams, including regular calibration of temperature sensors, maintaining refrigeration and heating systems, and ensuring proper insulation throughout the facility. Challenge number 4: corrosion and wear. The presence of water, salt, and acidic ingredients can accelerate equipment wear. Maintenance teams must use corrosion-resistant materials where possible, implement regular inspection routines, and apply protective coatings to vulnerable surfaces. Challenge number 5: regulatory compliance. Food manufacturing is heavily regulated. Maintenance teams play a crucial role in ensuring compliance by keeping detailed maintenance records, adhering to food safety standards in all maintenance activities, and staying up to date with changing regulations. These challenges might seem daunting, but with the right strategies and tools, they can be effectively managed. That's where a robust computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, comes in. OXmaint's CMMS is designed to help food manufacturers tackle these challenges head-on. From scheduling sanitation tasks to tracking regulatory compliance, our system helps streamline maintenance operations in even the most demanding food manufacturing environments. Ready to take your food manufacturing maintenance to the next level? Visit OXmaint.com to learn more and start your free trial today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into industrial maintenance. See you next time.